Hello viewer, today I'll show you Selenium Webdriver multiple test case run using testng suite. To do that, what I'll do, I'll create multiple test case, then I'll create a testng.xml file, configure testng.xml file, then I'll execute multiple test case as a testng test suite. Okay, let's go to the Eclipse. In previous session, we created a one simple script, Google search using Firefox browser. So we'll do the similar class today, another class. Just copy this class and paste it over here. So it is asking the test case name. Let's make it as a Chrome, because another same test will run in Chrome browser. Okay, it is Chrome, it is created. We have to modify the script level something. Here is gecko driver, here should be Chrome driver. Then here is gecko driver, it will be Chrome driver. Then Firefox driver, it will be Chrome driver. Rest of the thing as it is. Chrome driver, we have to export that Chrome driver. Just save it, then import Chrome driver in the test case. Okay, then my test case, let's say save it. Error is gone. Let's manually run the Chrome driver first. Run as testng test. It runs successfully. It works. That means okay, test result. There is no failure in the test result. Okay, now go to the project level and right click on the project and new. There's a file. In the file, put the file name testng.xml. Finish. Here is testng.xml file created, but it is empty. Open a browser and go to Google. Type sample testng.xml. Go here testng.xml. If you scroll down, we'll take first one and paste it in here. Paste here, and we'll do the test suite. Just delete this one. Just put it test name Google search, suite name Google search, test name, let's say smoke test, classes, it is class name should be something like that. Your package name, our package name is com.google over here, com.google. Then we have to class name Google search Chrome. You can copy from here Google search Chrome and paste it here. We'll do another test, another class, paste it here. What is the another class name? Google search Firefox. Copy from here and paste it here. Okay, now save the testng.xml file. So we mentioned is a test suite is a Google search. This is smoke test and classes. Class name we identified. Name is the whatever our class name is. We mentioned it over here. After saving, if you right click over it will, if you run from here testng test suite, it will run the both test classes at a time, one after another. So right click in testng file, run as testng suite. You see there is no class level, it's a suite level, like testng suite. If you click over here, first it is running in Google Chrome, then search completed, it will close the browser, then it will run the same test in the Firefox browser. Firefox browser open, it will navigate to the Google home page, search with Selenium, and it is search is complete. It will close the browser. The test is done. You see total test run 2 test run is completed. It's a Google search, our test suite name, it is completed. If you refresh your project level, project 1, right click, refresh, you see the test output over here, it is created. If you expand the test output, you see there is all the folder and test report is created over here. If you go to the default suite, if you go to the JUnit report, not the JUnit report, let me index.html, right click, open with web browser. This is your test result, one test result. 2 methods, 2 parts, all other thing over here. One test, this is your test report, test result. Test for Google search, smoke test, 2 classes. Okay. Then if you physically go to this location and if your default suite, okay, let's go to the Selenium tutorial location, project 1, test output, just emailable report, right click, open with, let's say Google Chrome. This is your test output, test result, smoke test. Passed, skipped, failed, whatever it is in the, and you can expand that one. Google search in Chrome, Google search in Firefox. This is a very simple test. Executive with the multiple test suite. Let's say you have multiple test case in here. You can include that test case in another line. Then you can add multiple line and run at a time. Thanks for watching this video. I think this will be helpful for you. If you think it is helpful for you, just subscribe my channel, like, and also share my video to others. Thank you for watching.